Alright, so in order to get video to digital from these old analog tapes, all the band stuff, all the shows and things I ever recorded in the past were done on these tapes using this Sony Hi8 camcorder. Alright, so I want to show you all the components that I used to get that footage. So this is what you're going to need. And I'm going to talk and describe every single thing that's here to get it to the final place, which is the hard drive, digital hard drive. But we're going to start off with the camera first. So I wanted to get the highest quality out of the camera that I could get. So for this camera, the highest output is this S-Video. So there's the S-Video. You need an S-Video cable. Okay, so there's the S-Video cable you're going to need. Okay, and the issues that I encounter, audio does not come through S-Video. Just make a note of that. Audio comes out of this port that's on the side of the camera, right there. One thing to note, this camera is older, and the LCD screen has had some rough damage. I'm not even sure how that happened, but it's starting to degrade. So that's one issue. It didn't affect the outcome. The other issue is that these connections are becoming loose. So I had to make it work, meaning that it's loose, so I had to move around the power connector. So this is the power for it right here. So you see all the peripherals that you got to go through just to get analog video to the computer, but you can't just connect this. So you need the audio part. So the audio part will be this cable right here. This cable connects to the side of the camera. Okay, which brings me to the capture card that I use. I use the Porta capture card. Okay, HDMI out. It also has got audio, so you can monitor your audio, and then it's got the power, so you're going to need a power. So there's the power for it right there. And you can upscale to 720 to 1080p, although because you're using old footage, you're not quite going to get 1080 out of it. In S-Video, connection is right here. So you're going to connect your camera via S-Video to get the highest quality image to there. And then you're going to connect your audio cable. In my case, I needed to get mono signal, and this is the cable that came with the camera, so I had to adapt this, split the signal to get somewhat better audio, and then connect it here, left and right audio. The other part of it too is that you can switch from regular AV video to S-Video. So once you switch to S-Video, you should be able to get sound. And there is your HDMI output, in which case you're going to need HDMI out. Now I could connect this HDMI out directly, but the issue with that will be that the PC HDMI is for output to a monitor, so it wouldn't work. So therefore, we need the next peripheral, which is the Megawell USB capture device. Okay, so I use this for my live stream, and what this essentially does is take HDMI video, which will be coming from here, into the device, which will now turn into USB 3.0 into the Omen laptop right there. Alright, so the way it will go, it would be just like this. Analog S-Video audio into capture device, okay? Audio video capture device HDMI out into the Magwell out to the USB 3.0, and then I was trying to use Power Director. That didn't work quite right because of the way this was acting up on me. Once I got it to work, it worked fine, but I ended up using OBS. So I used OBS to get the final result that I needed. OBS did a good job of capturing it, and that's it. I just want to give you an overview of what it takes to get old footage from these Hi8 analog cassettes to your PC. All right, hope that was helpful to you. Bye.